Salling Group is one of Denmark's largest retailers with more than 5 major brands, more than 1,000 stores throughout 3 countries, Denmark, Poland and Germany. Zello-wise, we have thousands of users, new use cases getting discovered every day. We have more than 2 million messages getting sent every month. So as any IT department, we just Googled the best push-to-talk application, and Zello was in top 3 in all of them. The feature that kept us with Zello was definitely the management console. From an IT perspective, we can monitor a lot of things. It's easy to create new users or support the current users, and also that we can divide it to the different stores. So the management console has so much to offer and was also one of the key points why we choose Zello back in the days. Salling Group's mission is improving everyday life, and that's what I feel we do with Zello.
Det, der gør det nemmere i forhold til det andet telefonsystem, vi har, det er, at der er de her kanaler, hvor man kalder ud til alle medarbejdere, i stedet for at man skal tage telefonen op og ringe til kun en af gangen.
Hej, er der en, der godt kan hjælpe mig med at finde en strækpude på et par Sony høretelefoner?
Den kigger jeg lige på.
Saves a lot of time for me because I can get a hold of a lot of my employees instead of just one. So if I need help, I don't just have to call someone and they can be doing something, so they have to wait 10 minutes and I have to call somebody else. I can get everyone at the same times.
Tak for det.
The best feature of Zello is definitely that we have the opportunity to use it as a walkie-talkie. It makes the communication a lot faster and easier, so our everyday working environment, it's improved a lot.
I used to be a frontline worker myself, so I know how it is to be at the front, facing the customers and the busy periods of like Christmas, Black Friday, Easter, and all of these times. Every second is really important when you're a frontline worker, and it really helps you with efficient communication.
Oh, it's great with the replay function because we have the opportunity to replay the message if we haven't heard it the first time and ensure that I got the message.
Det med, at vi kan gå ind og genafspille en tidligere besked eller den seneste besked, det gør rigtig meget, især i de travle dage her, hvor der er så meget. Eller hvis man kommer til at lægge pedalen fra sig, når man skal et eller andet med begge hænder, så kan man lynhurtigt gå ind og genafspille beskeden, indtil du er helt med på, hvad du skal. Det er meget dejligt i vores dagligdag, det er det.
Jeg synes, min favoritfunktion i Zello er det her med, at man kan sende billeder.
My favorite feature about Zello is the picture feature.
Jeg har et par bukser.
En stregkode, nogen der lige kan hjælpe.
If we have an article that's missing a barcode, we can easily call to any employee to ask if they can take a picture of the barcode from the store, so we can make a quicker execution in the cashier.
Again, when we changed all of the phones throughout the company, we still have one thing we left behind that was still running on kind of an old solution, and we contacted Zello for a kind of similar solution to what they're offering today, and they sent us back a more user-friendly interface with our branding, and I think the only thing they wanted to change was two-way communication, and we sent that back to Zello, and in a few weeks we had that as well. That was the start of something great.
Min favoritting ved kiosken er nok, at når jeg står ude på lageret, at jeg har mulighed for at hjælpe, selvom jeg måske ikke er i afdelingen. Og i så fald så har jeg mulighed for hurtigt at komme til stedet.
Når kunden kommer op til kassen, så kan de melde deres ankomst og sige, at jeg er her nu. Og så den medarbejder, der lige er i nærheden af click and collect-lageret, eller i nærheden ikke har noget i hænderne, de kan så sige, at velkommen til, hvad kan jeg gøre for dig? Som om, at man står over for kunden, men i virkeligheden så er man i gang med at ekspedere ud ved click and collect-lageret. Og det er jo mega nemt, fordi så kan vi jo let kassekøen lidt. Det der Zello er rigtig dejligt.
One of the other parameters that's important when we put this kiosk in production is that we can actually see is it used, and we can see how people are using it. That helps the store to kind of improve the NPS score and improve the customer experience. So that's really important for us. NPS-wise, we have been improving ever since we implemented the kiosk client. The specific parameter is it easy to get hold of an employee has been increasing ever since.
Jeg er sikker på, at vores kunder de oplever en hurtigere og en mere effektiv ekspedition ved, at vi hurtigt kan reagere på det, fordi at der er så mange på de forskellige kanaler.
If we didn't have Zello, I really don't know how we would have done that. But I can say it's very efficient because you just get the message across to everybody.
Working with Zello was really good for IT's perspective because they're really innovative and really open-minded. Being part of that process has been really fun and really nice to work with.